In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor resistor on this Honda Accord. This will be located behind your glove box. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Open up your glove box. Once you have that open, the next thing you'll want to do is make sure you remove anything from on the inside. After that's done, along each side you should find that you have locking clips. Unfortunately on this vehicle, both of them are missing, but you want to make sure you dislodge those. After you've done that, you want to make your way along the outside here. We're going to remove this Phillips head screw. A quick inspection of our mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. We'll set that aside. Continue on to taking hold of this and we'll give it a little tug, pulling it away from the glove box. At this point, we can carefully lower our glove box down. Now let's have a peek in this area. Now that we have clear access, we want to disconnect the electrical connector. This has a locking tab. Go ahead and squeeze it in and lift it up and off of there. We'll squeeze on that tab right along the rearward side here. Lift that up. A quick inspection of the electrical connector, of course, we want to ensure that there is no corrosion. If there is, you want to make sure you take care of that. We'll continue on to the two pieces of mounting hardware. For these, use a Phillips head screwdriver. Now we can take hold of that resistor, give it a little wiggle, and lift it straight up and out. There it is, friend. With that out of position, the next thing we'll do is make sure that we clean the mounting point. It's a good idea to wipe this down, give it a close inspection. Now we can install our brand new blower motor resistor. When you go to install this, make sure you have it in the proper orientation. You remember when we removed the electrical connector, it had the lock around the rearward area here towards us. We want to make sure we have that notch facing in that same direction. Press that in position and continue on with your two pieces of mounting hardware. We'll start them in and then you can snug them up. Double check to make sure it's completely seated in place. Continue on to your electrical connector. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation with the lock facing rearward towards us. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a light tug to make sure it's completely secured in place. Now it's time to re-secure the glove box. We'll start along the side here. We'll take the glove box, bring it up into the proper position, align this area, and put our mounting bolt in. We'll make sure this is nice and snug. Now as we bring this up into the closed position, you want to make sure that you reinstall those two locking clips. As I had mentioned, ours are missing. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The last thing you want to do is test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.